Hey, today I'll be making steak for you. It's quite simple and I hope it's easy to follow along. Start by patting your meat dry on both sides of your 2 to 2.5 inch thick steak. This will help us sear the steak. Add a generous pinch of salt to cover the surface of the steak. Add ground black pepper and massage the seasoning into your steak. Repeat this process on both sides and then heat up your pan to high heat. Once the pan is hot, add vegetable oil or some other sort of neutral oil and then add in your steak. The high heat will help sear the steak. Leave the steak on high heat for roughly 2.5 minutes before flipping. Crush your garlic cloves as your steak is cooking. After 2.5 minutes, flip your steak and just look at that crust. After you sear the other side for 2.5 minutes, flip to sear the other edges. Then turn down the heat to medium. Add in about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, wait for it to melt, and then add in your aromats. I use garlic and thyme, and with the melted butter, baste for around 2 minutes to finish cooking the steak. Take your steak off the pan and let it rest for about 10 minutes before cutting into it. And there you go. Enjoy your medium rare steak. Now that we're done cooking, I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and to subscribe. Thanks.